Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good and staying safe in your life. So I'm back once again to my YouTube channel which is a corporate vlogs और आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आप लोग से बता दूं जो अगर आप लोग नए हैं इस वीडियो पे तो प्लीज़ जाके सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें क्योंकि वो आपका नोटिफिकेशन सिग्नल है जब भी मैं अपना नया नया वीडियो लेके आऊँगा तो आप लोग को ट्रिगर कर दिया जाएगा स्क्रीन पे जो कि गूगल का या फिर यूट्यूब का एक फीचर है। मैं आज डेविन के बारे में बात करना चाह रहा हूँ। सो डेविन तो आप लोग पता ही चल गया होगा क्योंकि आजकल तो रियल लाइफ से ज़्यादा तो रियल लाइफ है फेमस है डेविन। इतना ना मार्केटिंग हो गया उसका, इतना मार्केटिंग हो गया है जो अब वो ना चाहते हुए भी इतना फेमस हो चुका है जो उसको अब मार्केटिंग का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। मैंने लाइक ऑब्वियसली मैं भी कनेक्टेड हूँ सोशल मीडिया से तो फिर मेरे को भी दिखने मिल जाता है जो क्या चल रहा है डेविन को लेके। तो मैं ये देख रहा हूँ जो बहुत सारे जो डेवलपर्स हैं या फिर सीनियर डेवलपर्स हैं तो वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं जो जूनियर प्रोफाइल को रिप्लेस कर दे रहा है डेविन। वो अपना वो अपना डेली डे टू डे टास्क एक्टिविटी में कोड कर रहा है प्लस डीबग कर रहा है प्लस एपीआईज कनेक्ट करके उसके ऊपर काम कर रहा है, राइट? सो लेट मी say one thing. Devin is just an AI robot that is working based upon the commands and the algorithms that we have passed to him or her. I'm not sure in which gender robot comes, but जैसा एल्गोरिथम लिखा गया है वैसे वो काम कर रहा है। जब हम लोग किसी भी कंपैरिजन करते हैं ना किसी को भी अपने ह्यूमन ब्रेन से कंपेयर करते हैं तो there is nothing bigger than the human brain. If you are having a two legs, if you are having a two hand and a brain, there is no one who can compete with you. No one. Like you are like supreme than anyone. So a human brain cannot be replaced by the robot brain. मैं हाल फिलहाल में मैं मतलब आप गो थ्रू कर रहा था वो जॉब सेक्शन बहुत सारे पोर्टल्स पे तो फिर मेरे को ये देखने को मिला जो एक बंदा है उसका नीचे प्रोफाइल दिया गया है ह्यूमन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर और दे आर लुकिंग फॉर अ ह्यूमन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। मेरे को हंसी इस बात की आ रही है इस बात पे जो नाउ द डेजिग्नेशन इज बीइंग डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स रोबोट एंड अ ह्यूमन, राइट? तो मैं आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं जो हम लोग इस वीडियो में देखेंगे जो डेविन कैसे काम करता है। लाइक वी विल सी अ स्मॉल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन लाइक हाउ इट वर्क्स। तो पहले आप समय लेके ना डेमो देखिए जो डेमो कैसा है। तो चलिए मैं आ गया हूँ अपने सिस्टम पे और चलिए डेमो देखते हैं जो कैसे डेविन काम कर रहा है। तो आइए स्क्रीन पे।
I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First step makes a step-by-step plan on how to tackle the problem. After that, build the whole project using the same tools that human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line. Its own code editor. And even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read out and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement. Reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error and logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website with full styling and visualization. You can see the website here. All of this is possible today
So hope you have watched the demo. Now let me do one thing. Let me ask you guys one question based upon your observation. So you guys have observed that Devin is getting open on a browser. That means it's a web-based application. So whenever I used to say like if anything gets opened on a web browser, that is a web-based application where a Devin has to get opened before it can perform any task, right? First thing. Second thing, that we are providing the text value to the Devin. That means we are providing our idea to Devin, and based upon our idea and our expectation, it's performing an activity. साफ सीधी बात है, जब तक आप उसको इनपुट दीजिएगा नहीं तब तक वो काम करेगा नहीं. So moreover, like it's very much similar to the chat GPT, right? And when I say a chat GPT, so chat GPT is a is a foundation of this TV. Also like in chat GPT we used to provide our idea, and based upon that it gives us information regarding that. And chat GPT is very much beneficial to the content writers, so they can utilize a chat GPT for their contents to be get prepared, and just to overcome with the machinery language they can use a QD bots, right, to make it as a human based languages. That makes their job profile easier. That doesn't replace them. Even like it's very much convenient and comfortable for the web developer. It's very much comfortable for the other software domain based engineers, but it didn't replace it. In the same manner, the Debian is not going to replace anyone. It's only the machine that helps you to get your idea done in a shorter time. Because जब हम लोग बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, definitely client would be having a shorter delivery time. So the project has to be get delivered within that particular time. So to overcome the time complexity which is being taken by the humans, that is being reduced by the use of this Devi. Hope like it has been very much clear. It's basically the tool, the web-based application is being prepared entirely based upon the Python, and the AI of few of the deep learning, and also the artificial intelligence. There is no any concept of machine learning. It doesn't learn on the basis of it itself. We have to ask based upon the customer's feedback, based upon the user's feedback, what they're entering. Definitely, it will become an very much convenient to the other software developers. But it's not going to replace anyone. Not a single employee will get replaced because of this Devi. Now, when it comes to replace, the replace only happens when either the company is going into a loss, or company is not having further funds to be get invested on an employee, and that causes a layoff. As we have seen and still seeing in few of the companies due to some that coronavirus, a lot of company has got closed down, and they couldn't able to cope up with that scenarios. So that was the one of the major impact because of the layoff, and the traces are still there. So that's a separate thing. But if I talk about the machine or AI robots or something which is getting involved into the corporate sector, that doesn't replace anyone. Okay, so that's it for today, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video and my suggestions. The only one thing I will be letting you know, guys, that keep yourself upskilling with the new technology. And in the second part of this video, I will definitely try to decode this tool, and I will let you know the technologies like what it has been worked on, like what and all software is being utilized to prepare this sort of software, and also please please subscribe the channel, bro, because I will be coming up with a lot of tech knowledge along with the tech information what's going on in the industry, and furthermore whatever your requirements is, and to let me know what you wanted to get it uh, informed about. So definitely I will try to collect the information from different platforms. Now it's time to say bye, and please hit the subscribe button, हिट कर दो, वो हो जाना चाहिए जैसे। बाय।